Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is a 2-in-1 hairstyling tool that curls and also straightens your hair from LANDOT. Now, I am by no means a hairstyling professional, but when I use this tool, I really love the results, and I really feel like I know what I'm doing because it's so easy to use. It has a wide variety of temperature choices. It has an easy to read digital display. It also heats up super fast. And it glides beautifully over my hair. Because I have long, thick hair, but also layers, sometimes the hairs can get snagged on a straightening tool or a curling tool, but not with this. Let me show you how I use it. So there's a lot to love about being able to curl your hair or straighten your hair with one tool, having something that heats up fast, has an easy to read digital display. I also love the fact that there is this little end here that I can use to grab that doesn't get hot, so that I'm able to curl or straighten my hair and have a lot of maneuverability and control over the tool itself. Also the fact that I am not professional or a professional when it comes to curling or styling my hair. So basically I just use this tool the way it feels right, and I'm getting beautiful results.
I love the fact that it comes with this adorable storage pouch, an extra long cord that has a Velcro loop that you can use to store it, these really useful hair clips, and a heat-resistant glove so that you can be well protected whether you're ironing the hair straight or curling it. And I really feel that the ironing or the curling really lasts even though I have thick hair.
But I've been so happy with the results I'm getting with this tool, whether I want to straighten my hair or curl my hair. And that is my point of view.